not going to talk.
That's okay. That's okay. I don't have much faith in words myself.
They called it pop psychology, voodoo science.
I think it's because they're scared of me.
4 years ago, when we were still married, you accused my boss of sleeping with me.
His gloves are coming off now.
Objection, Your Honor. That's immaterial.
Dr. Lightman, last warning. Overruled. Didn't it come out eventually that my boss, a man, was in fact gay?
Yeah, it did, yeah.
Actually, you need to come with us.
By day, I'm a scientist, but by night, I'm fallible. I'm only human.
When you leave that a line, I could tell you were jacked up about something.
That's because I flashed your partial fear expression.
Whatever. But why were you trying to play me?
6 years ago, Dr. Lightman left the deception detection program he founded for the Defense Department. Together, we started a private firm that works with police, corporations, and almost every federal agency. We'd like you to come work for us, Miss Torres.
Why?
Thanks for coming in right away.
Boss!
I would like to sleep with you.
Eli Loper, Ria Torres. He's harmless. Just always speaks the truth about what's on his mind. What do you call it again?
Radical honesty.
That's it. Well, he'll get you started on learning our facial coding system.
You are here because of your expertise in psychology and lying. I'm challenging that. Your flagrant manipulation of the jury, notwithstanding.
Okay, but when you say that your client is innocent, you don't fully believe that.
Again, you misjudge my thoughts because I know my client is innocent.
Why don't you want to hear the science then?
Shame and shame. Contempt. These expressions are universal. Emotion looks the same whether you're a suburban housewife or a suicide bomber. The truth is written on all our faces.
Maybe you want one of the smaller churches, one of the black suburbs.
You know what you're talking about.
Don't respond.
What do you say ATN starts with South?
Now, skip that one. We're going to focus on law. You feel good about it?
That's it, Lawton. Going after a church in Lawton.
That accusation has no basis.
What do you mean? You just told me.